Today, we are going to whip up some delicious Sichuan stir-fried chicken. The fragrance of the Sichuan peppercorns reminds me so much of my 5-year stay in China. The Sichuan city is a beautiful place with beautiful girls. I meant beautiful scenery, colorful culture, and wonderful food. Cannot wait to serve up this Sichuan stir-fried chicken to my family and of course, to you. I will be using chicken thighs to cook up this dish. Step number 1 would be to debone the thighs. Once done, you will be left with this. Don't throw them away, you could use them to make chicken broth. The thigh meat is succulent and soft. It is easy on your palate and it gives a melt in the mouth effect. Now, let us prepare the ingredients. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 10 grams of Sichuan peppercorn, 25 sticks of thinly sliced ginger, 20 grams of spring onion, 20 sweet basil leaves, half of a chili padi. With all the ingredients prepared, it is time to pump up the fire, load in the oil, and let it heat up. The first thing you got to do is to fry up the sweet basil leaves. Leave it in the oil to sizzle for around 20 to 30 seconds, and then take it out. This is done so that the basil fragrance can be infused into the oil. Now, throw in the Sichuan peppercorns, garlic, ginger, and chili padi. The purpose of frying up these ingredients first is to get the oil infused with the essence of these herbs and spices. Allow everything to fry for about 3 minutes. Then add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. The time has come for you to dunk the chicken thighs into the oil. Make sure you mix them well. It takes about 7 minutes for the chicken to be fully cooked. At this point, you got to add some salt to taste. Reintroduce the basil leaves into the wok and add the spring onions. Give it a final good mix and you are ready to serve. So that's it. This is how you fry up a 100% home-cooked Sichuan stir-fried chicken. Try it and share with us your experience down in the comment section below. You can experience different cultures on one dining table in one night. This is the beautiful thing about food. Hope you enjoyed today's video.